Operators in Python. In the previous chapter, you learnt about the basic elements of Python programming language and also learnt how to declare and initialize variables. Now, you will learn how to use operators to perform arithmetic and logical operations in programming. In this chapter, you will learn about the various types of operators available in Python. Operators. All of you must have performed mathematical calculations using some operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Operators are special symbols that are used to perform arithmetic and logical operations on variables and values and provide a meaningful result. Let us understand this statement with the help of following expression. Operands are the values on which an operator operates. Remember, an operator requires one or more operands to perform an operation.
No more. An expression is a combination of operators, constants, and variables that is evaluated to get a result. For example, a plus b equals c, a greater than equals b plus c, a multiply b, plus a minus b.
Types of operators. Python has different types of operators based on the kind of operation they perform. Here, you will learn about 5 types of operators: arithmetic, string, relational, logical, and assignment operators. Arithmetic operators. These are the operators that are used to perform basic mathematical calculations. Some of the arithmetic operators used in Python are given here. In Python, the basic arithmetic operators can further be classified as binary operators and unary operators. Binary operators. These operators require 2 operands to perform any operations. For example, 5 plus 6 equals to 11. 45 minus 5 equals to 40. Unary operators. These operators require a single operand such as minus or plus. Operators are used to define positive and negative values. For example, x equals to plus 200, positive value, y equals to minus 40, negative value. String operators. In Python, only 2 types of operators are used with string data type, such as addition and multiplication. The plus operator is used to join the 2 or more strings. Therefore, the plus operator is termed as concatenation operator. The multiplication operator is used to reprint or replicate the string values a number of times. Therefore, the multiplication operator is termed as replication operator. Note, this string operator works only with a single string value, else it would cause an error. Relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare 2 values. That is why they are also known as comparison operators. When we use relational operators to compare values, the output is given in a Boolean value, that is, true or false. In Python, there are 6 different types of relational operators which are described in this table. Logical operators. In our day-to-day life, we often come across the situations where we need to check for multiple conditions before deciding to take any actions. In a Python program, when multiple conditions are to be tested, we use logical operators. Python provides 3 types of logical operators: AND, OR, and NOT. They return the result as either true or false. Recall, in a Python program, whatever letters, words, or numbers is written within inverted commas is treated as a string value. Therefore, it will be printed as it is. Assignment operators. In the previous chapter, you have learned that an assignment operator is used to assign values to variables in Python. The value is assigned to its right side and the variable is written on its left side. For example, x equals to 25, y equals to 88, a equals to x plus y. In the first 2 examples, we have assigned the values 25 and 88 to the variables x and y, respectively. In the third example, the sum of x and y variables is assigned to the variable a. Operator precedence. In Python, a single expression may have multiple operators. The order in which Python interpreter evaluates the operators at runtime is known as precedence of operators. Python interpreter decides the order of evaluation on the basis of precedence and associativity of operators. Precedence. Precedence refers to the priority order of an operator according to which it is evaluated. In other words, the precedence of one operator over another is called operator precedence. It is important to learn the operator precedence to understand how a program works. In Python, the order of precedence is from high to low. That means an operator belonging to a higher level is evaluated first. Associativity. Associativity refers to the order in which an expression that has multiple operators of the same precedence is evaluated. Thus, associativity tells the direction, left to right or right to left, of execution of operators. Almost all the operators have left to right associativity. In a nutshell, an operator of higher precedence is operated before the operator of lower precedence in Python. In a situation when an expression contains operators of the same precedence such as multiplication and floor division, then whichever operator comes first from the left is evaluated first.
Quick recall. Operators are special symbols that are used to perform arithmetic and logical operations on variables and values and provide a meaningful result. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical calculations. Unary operators require a single operand such as minus or plus. These operators are used to define positive and negative values. Operands are the values on which an operator operates. An expression is a combination of operators, constants, and variables that is evaluated to get a result. The plus operator is used to join the two or more strings. Therefore, the plus operator is termed as concatenation operator. The asterisk operator is used to reprint or replicate the string values a number of times. Therefore, the asterisk operator is termed as replication operator. Relational operators are used to compare two values. That is why they are also known as comparison operators. In a Python program, logical operators are used when multiple conditions are to be tested. Python provides three types of logical operators: AND, OR, and NOT. An assignment operator equal to is used to assign values to variables in Python. The order in which Python interpreter evaluates the operators at runtime is known as precedence of operators.